Efficiency, sustainability, carbon footprint, emissions, climate change, the environment, all buzzwords in an ever-changing agricultural landscape. However, this is not new ground for Thompsons, who for over 150 years have continued to make improvements to ensure that the company produces feed in a way that recognises the importance of our environment. The Thompson name has been synonymous with providing quality feedstuffs for farm animals in Ireland, while becoming a recognisable figure in the Belfast skyline. From humble beginnings in a grocer's shop, John Thompson opened his first Belfast mill in 1870 with the motto, "Pioneers of Better Feeding Stuffs," becoming the first compounder in Ireland to produce blended, cooked and extruded feed as early as 1911. Thompsons are now one of the largest multi-species compounders in Europe. With more than a lifetime's investment in Northern Ireland's agri-food industry, Thompsons realise that longevity and sustainability mean working closely with customers, processors and retailers. It also means staying one step ahead, which is where Thompsons' continued investment in nutritional research and development has ensured that new ideas are based on a firm footing of knowledge. Thompsons have a constant drive for improvement and have made many innovative changes to create a manufacturing process that leads the way in terms of energy efficiency and carbon reduction. Since 2015, Thompsons have reduced their carbon emissions by 28%. This reduction is the equivalent of driving 30 million kilometres or 18.5 million miles in a diesel car. There has been long-term work on reducing waste at the manufacturing facility. A recent partnership with a waste company has ensured that 90% of Thompson's waste is recycled, recovered or reused on site. The use of shrink wrapping on pallets of bagged feed has reduced by 25% over the last 2 years. The site now operates without the use of diesel. Thompsons have installed two 50-kilowatt solar panel systems, generating electricity for both office and manufacturing activities. A combination of renewable energy from solar panels, improvement in CHP efficiency, the ability to use biogas rather than natural gas, and automatic lighting systems have all contributed to reducing the kilowatt hours of energy it takes to produce 1 tonne of feed by 16% for the 2015 to 2020 period. In 1994, with a market-leading move, Thompsons installed the first combined heat and power plant, or CHP for short, in Northern Ireland. More than 25 years later, Thompsons are still one of the only mills in the UK and Ireland to have one. The current CHP plant is a 4.95 megawatt unit, which has made Thompsons almost self-sufficient for its electrical needs. The company are now looking to the future and are exploring green energy to power the manufacturing process. The fine-tuning of mill capacity has been made possible by installing a software system that allows Thompsons to identify and analyse any bottlenecks in the multiple stages of feed manufacturing. The ability to implement practical measures is something that Thompsons staff continue to focus on. The staff bring both knowledge and experience together in terms of both mill production and technical expertise on farm, ensuring that Thompsons stay ahead of the competition. In addition to improvements in the manufacturing processes, Thompsons continue to lead the way in feed efficiency research and projects at farm level which seek to address strategic environmental concerns. Many of the research projects have been done in partnership with the Agri-Food and Biosciences Institute, AFBI, at Hillsborough, Northern Ireland. For example, Thompsons have partnered with AFBI to reduce the amount of phosphorus fed to livestock. Thompsons have also pioneered a newly formulated, lower protein pig finishing diet, which under trial conditions has been shown to reduce ammonia emissions by up to 49%, reduce water consumption by 25%, reduce slurry output by 38%, and reduce odour by 19%. As part of their protein-efficient pig finisher diets, Thompsons have been able to reduce their requirements for soya by over 9,000 tonnes per annum. Calculations predict that this equates to approximately a 16% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions per kilogram of pig meat. Currently, the company is partnering with scientists at AFBI on a 3-year project designed to develop strategies to improve the nitrogen use efficiency by dairy cows. This has the potential to reduce nitrogen losses to the environment. With over 150 years' experience feeding the animals of Ireland, Thompsons know what they are doing. Innovation is at the heart of this market-leading feed mill, ensuring that it can evolve with an agricultural industry that has had its fair share of changes over more than a century. As pioneers of better feeding stuffs all those years ago, Thompsons are still dedicated to finding innovative ways of ensuring all animals reach their true potential from the inside out.